Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making a no-bake chocolate banana pie. And here are the ingredients. You need graham crackers, chocolate chips, bananas, graham cracker crust, and chocolate pudding mix. Okay, the first thing you do is take this off of the graham cracker crust and just set this to the side. We're not going to bake it or do anything like that. We're just going to get this ready for the chocolate pudding. When you get this plastic shield off, don't throw it away because this is what you can use to cover the pie. Just take off this paper. Make sure you get all the glue that comes with it. And then you can use this to cover the pie. Just close this up. But for right now, we're going to set this and the crust to the side. Next, we're going to make the chocolate pudding pie filling. And when you look at, you just follow the directions on your box. But when you look at the box, you'll see the 5-minute pudding mix. Don't follow those directions because that puts too much milk into the filling. It'll make it runny. This needs 2 cups of milk. Follow the pudding pie recipe. Well, the pudding pie directions. This says for 2% milk, use 1 3/4 cup of milk. But I'm using 1% milk, so I'm using 1.5 cups of milk. So to make my chocolate pudding filling mix, chocolate pie filling mix, I'm just going to put this in here. That's the whole package of the pie filling. And like I said before, I'm just going to add 1.5 cups of 1% milk. You can use whatever milk you have on hand. Like I said, if it's 2%, you can use 1 3/4, or 2% of whole milk, you can use 1 3/4 cup. Okay, so beat this with the electric mixer or with a whisk. It's up to you. I'm using this electric mixer for about a minute. And here's the chocolate pudding. I beat this for about 1.5 minutes. And this is the consistency. Pretty thick already. But we're still going to have to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour for it to set up. Okay, so now that you have this ready, get your bananas ready. I already have mine ready. What you need to do is just take a banana or two and just slice them like this. And now we're ready to put the pie together. So now get your crust. Just place it here. And at first you're going to put like a little layer of chocolate pie filling in there. Okay, once you have your first layer, then you can place some bananas in there at the bottom. And you can make 1 or 2 layers. I'm going to put another layer on this and see if I'm going to put 2. Okay, now the bananas are good and covered. If you want bananas on top, what you would do is take the bananas and you would put like a thin layer of lemon juice or pineapple juice on them. You would just coat the banana with a little bit of lemon or pineapple juice so it doesn't turn brown. Okay, but we're not putting any on top. We're just putting them inside the pie, so that step is not needed. Next, I'm going to crush some graham crackers and sprinkle those on top. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is put some chocolate chips on top, but not in this form. What I did already is I took some chocolate chips and put them in this mini chopper. I pulsed them to where they look like shavings. So now I'm going to sprinkle some of this on top. And to show that there's some bananas in there, put a few bananas on top. So here you are. We're going to put the clear top on top. Just pinch the foil side so that it doesn't move. So there you go. And now it's ready to be put in the refrigerator for about an hour. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.